Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you a powerful strategy to promote your affiliate offers using YouTube comments. As you can see, I've personally made thousands of dollars with this method, and now I'm excited to share it with you. Before we dive in, let's talk about why this method is so effective. YouTube boasts a staggering 2.1 billion monthly active users from all around the world, with approximately 122 million users tuning in daily. People engage with videos through the comments section, sharing their thoughts and interacting with each other. Just look at MrBeast's recent video, Train vs. Giant Pit, with a jaw-dropping 117 million views and 127,709 comments. My comment ranked 9th, and it was posted just minutes ago. Imagine the traffic you can attract by ranking in the top spots of such high-traffic videos. To get started, the first step is to choose the right niche. Some niches work particularly well for the YouTube comment method, such as the Robux giveaway, gift card giveaway, and dating niche. For the Robux and gift card giveaway niches, you can utilize CPA Build, OG Ads, or CPA Grip affiliate networks. If you prefer the dating niche, networks like iMonetize and ClickDealer are excellent options. Remember, it's crucial to have multiple YouTube accounts for this strategy, and they should not be your personal accounts. YouTube could potentially ban them, so be cautious. Once you have your accounts ready, it's time to customize your YouTube channel for maximum impact. Add a profile image, a banner image, and create an appealing channel name that will attract visitors. Don't forget to include a link to your landing page or offer. If you're unsure how to optimize your profile, you can take inspiration from successful YouTubers like Sniper Wolf or Sundee. Check out their last videos and see what others are promoting in the comments section. Now comes the exciting part. Select a video you want to comment on, copy someone else's comment, and post it. Make sure to copy the comment link by right-clicking on X seconds ago. To rank your comment, you'll need to send upvotes to it. To simplify the process, I've created a handy script that can create and rank comments for you automatically. I'll show you a demo of the script in action, making it super easy to create multiple comments across various videos. Keep in mind that you'll want to target videos from famous YouTubers that were published 1 or 2 hours ago to capture the most traffic. And of course, use multiple accounts to maximize your reach. So there you have it, a powerful strategy to promote your affiliate offers using YouTube comments. If you want access to the YouTube comment script and a tutorial on how to set it up, make sure to join my Discord server. The link is in the video description. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more valuable content like this. Happy commenting and best of luck with your affiliate promotions. Thanks for watching.